Hey, this is Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to walk you through how to take a PDF file and convert it back to a Word document. A lot of times you need to do this when you have PDF files that you have encountered on research databases and you want to download them, and maybe you want to put all your research in one big Word document like I have my graduate students do. And sometimes PDF files are kind of hard to manage. So this is a free way to do this using a Google Drive account. Okay, let me first start off by showing you these two PDF files that I have downloaded into my Warren Buffett research folder, because you can't have too much research on Warren Buffett. But anyway, here we go. So these are PDF file types. You look under type, you see PDF file, and I'm going to take this, and I'm in the Windows Explorer screen now because I've already downloaded them, from the database. Then I'm going to jump over to my Google Drive account. It is a free account. You can sign up for a free Gmail account that gives you a Google Drive account, and you can also have a YouTube account from that. So lots of really great apps along the way in there. To get to Google Drive, if you're logged in to your Google account, you'll see the 9 dots that reveal the Google app. So click on that, and you'll see down here Google Drive. Click on Google Drive and I'll take you to mine. Now, obviously the Google Drive is free online storage of your pictures and documents and music and just whatever. They give you like 15 gigs free, I think, which is pretty good. So what I'm going to do is go to the left side toward the top where it says New. I'm going to hit New, and I'm going to do a file upload because I'm going to upload that PDF file first. So let me click on that. It's going to let me navigate back to my Windows Explorer folder where I have my Warren Buffett research stored. So here's one, Warren Buffett's opinion on governance, and I'm going to open that PDF file. And you can see it kind of uploads it to my Google Drive account. If I want to see it where it's at, I'll just click on it there, and it kind of shows me the actual document in Google Drive. Obviously, it looks pretty good there. But the middle part of what we're going to do with the transfer, we're going to open this PDF in Google Docs first. And you may be fine with it in just Google Docs, and that's great. But if you want to click on the down arrow, you can see there's others. There's suggested third-party apps, but I'm using Google Docs because it's free. Those others may be free. They may be paid. Not really sure. Don't really need them. Anyway, so we have this coming up in Google Docs. Google Docs is editable, as you'll see in a minute. Some things may get shifted around just a little bit, and it does do better with articles that are one big column versus 2 and 3, multiple columns going on. So just know that. I'm going to plant my cursor in there, and I can even move that around where I put the word is with the rest of the title here. And so as I scroll through, you can see the article came over pretty well. There's a few drop caps that are misplaced, but other than that, it's workable. It's doable. Now, if I do want to go the extra step and convert it to a Word document because you're just more comfortable working with Word, that's fine as well. In that case, you're just going to go over here to File, Download As, and your first choice, download as a Microsoft Word document, which is a .docx document for the file extension. So click on that. You'll see it start to download in the bottom corner down here. Now, what to do with it then? Well, I usually click on the little arrow and I just say Show in Folder because it's most likely downloaded it to your Downloads folder, right? If you look up here at my Windows Explorer screen, you'll see that it's in Downloads. It's just sitting there for me. And it's a Word document now. See, it says Microsoft Word document. All right. So obviously I don't want to keep it in my Downloads folder. But while it's highlighted, I'll do Control-C to copy it on my keyboard. And then I will just go back to my Warren Buffett research folder and click in there, and I'll do Control-V to paste it. And there you see the Word document, Warren Buffett's opinion on governance. You see here it says Microsoft Word document. So I've got it both now in the PDF form and Microsoft Word form. So let me open it for you so you can just see what it looks like. Okay, and oh yeah, let me get these out of here. Thank you, Microsoft, for sending me silly messages. Anyway, we can still edit this obviously some more if we need to. You can click on Enable Editing up here to put you in an edit mode and do what you need to do with it as you collect research on your particular topic before you start actually writing the term paper or building the PowerPoint or whatever you happen to be doing with it. So I hope this helps. Again, that's converting a PDF file to a Word document the free way. Thank you for your time.